Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Customer sent this microwave. No, let's see what is the problem. I've turned it on, so no power at all. So let's see how to fix it. So I'll remove the back cover, then video will be back for saving time. Dear viewers, I've removed the back cover, so I have to remove this PCB board. There is one more screw, just pull it up, it will remove very easy way. At first we have to check the AC voltage. These are three wire. There are three wire, neutral and live. We have to see there is a AC bulb present or not for turning on the board. So I have connected, so let's turn it on the plug. We have to get here AC voltage. If AC voltage present, so there micro, see, AC voltage is present, so that means microwave, all the switches are working good. Problem is this PCB board. So dear viewers, I've removed the board from panel. So there is two coil fuse, one, and here also one, two. So need to check the fuse. These are coil fuse. See, this fuse is okay, and this fuse has gone. So it has gone. So one problem. After that, dear viewers, I found one more problem. See, this IC also has broken. See, this IC has broken. So that's why finally I have taken decision. I'll change this board, so it will be better. If only fuse, you can change the fuse, then will be okay. But there is IC also has burned, so I have changed the board. So let's see. So alhamdulillah, it's turned on. So it was problem this PCB board. So finally I fixed all the screws. Finally testing how is it. So alhamdulillah, dear viewers, it's working, everything is fine. So alhamdulillah, thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.